Hey there. So in this slide, we are going to talk about some technical approach we're using into medical AI chatbot development. So this document is outline of all the technical approach which is used for developing this AI chatbot. The main focus to discuss about tools, technologies, and about the data privacy and security also, and how we have created this, chatbot with the user friendliness and also complying with the HIPAA security and making saving the secure information. So the project overview is like we need to offer accessible health information system with the help of open source large language models which provide an intelligent conventional response to the user queries, and then also ensure their data is private and not shared to anybody else. It also compliant to HIPAA principles, adhering to relevant healthcare data regulations. It guarantees for a high availability and consistent, responses which will be receiving. From the scalability standpoint, it is designed like that it can be scaled to the next level as per the requirement. Coming to the UI UX design, we use Figma for UI UX design for an intuitive response of the chatbot interface. And we are creating detailed wireframes with high fidelity prototypes, and it has comprehensive user flow diagram to ensure an optimal experience before the development begins. Front end development is developed using HTML5, CSS3, vanilla, and JavaScript with a potential shift to React JS based on client preferences. These are the key features which are included into this for the front end development. Backend and AI model integration. So backend development is done into Node.js with Express.js. We will form a backbone of chatbot side operations. It is responsible for including robust API development, seamless integration with the chosen AI model, efficient session management for the particular user, secure handling of the sensitive information, data storage, and then comprehensive error handling also. Logging and monitoring mechanism also there in place with this technology. A model selection and deployment. If we talk about that, then we have selected some open source LLM models like ChatGPT Kit or GPT-J, GPT, Neo X, Mistral, or Llama 3, and then this model are hosted onto AWS server and which is accessed via secured interface APIs. This approach allows for a custom fine-tuning a specific medical domain, offers a cost-effective and ensure a full control over data for the because it is crucial for the privacy. If we talk about API integration and security measures, we use REST APIs, which are dedicated REST APIs for use for the development of various functionalities, including chat sessions, user authentications, comprehensive audit logging, administrative controls. And all of these APIs are designed for effective, secure data exchange. It also ensures robust security because security is paramount. We couldn't share the private details of the users or patient to any open source. So with the implementation of JW2 based authentication for secure access, this apply rate limiting to prevent abuse, ensure data transfers encrypted. Whatever the data which has been transferred of the user information are encrypted using SSL and TLS protocols. These measures safeguard against unauthorized access and data breaches. Data privacy. If we talk about data privacy will be designed in compliance of HIPAA and GDPR, including AES 256 encryption at for data at rest and TLS 1.2 encryption for data in transit. So comprehensive access log and monitoring will be provided as an audit trail reinforced by daily backup and disaster recovery plans. We are using AWS cloud infrastructure. So these are some services, the purpose of that services and the benefit, like EC2 service or EC2 S service or Lambda services are used for hosting backend AI model, which will aid up into scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. S3 services are being used for static access storage, logs, backups, which will benefit into durability, availability, and cost effectiveness. RDS or Postgres, SQL or MySQL are used for a secure database for user data. The benefits are like managed service, high availability, and backup and recovery, which is available through these databases. Cognito and IAM are used for authentication and permissions. It is the benefit from this is like secure user management, fine-grained access controls. VCP subnets. It is used for network isolation and security. It enhances security and custom network configurations. CloudWatch. It is used for monitoring and alert purpose and also real-time insight for proactive issue resolution. WAF, we are using web application firewall for additional layer of application layer security, which is protecting us against common web exploitations. Route 53 is used for DNS management, which ensure high availability and global routing policies. And this is approximately a 20-week roadmap plan in which we'll be developing UI UX in Figma. Fully functional web-based chatbot interface will be developed. AI-powered chat system integrated with medical data, secured backup APIs, AWS cloud deployment will be done, and comprehensive documentation and deployment guidelines will be also taken care. And week-wise also we have shown that how we'll be proceeding for requirement gathering to front-end development, then for AI model selection and initial integration with the back-end APIs, and for further front-end development for user panels and all that. Extended roadmap is for testing, automation, and future enhancement. So we'll be also testing this chatbot stringently so that we ensure that all the functions of all the components of the chatbot are working efficiently, are integrated well, either front end, back end, or AI models, so that it should give a seamless user experience. And then automation and deployment is like for load testing, cloud cost optimization, setting up robust deployment pipeline to prepare efficient and scalable operations. Finally, will be going live and will provide the essential supports. And will also ensure that future enhancements should also be supported into this model so that if any scalability requirement which will come in future will be taken care. So by this I'm coming to the end of this presentation where we discussed about the technical aspect of this chatbot preparation and what all the features which will be included into this and how we can scale this into future also. Thank you so much for going through this presentation with me. Have a good time.